Students now know how to better pitch themselves to future employers thanks to the Office of Career Services and their Wednesday workshop. The theme, the Career Playbook. Davidson has the story.
Troy University often holds career fairs, but what are students supposed to do to prepare? That question was answered on Wednesday as Troy's Career Services walked students through what's called the Career Fair Playbook.
You want to make sure that your resume is ready and up to date. You want to make sure you've done your research on the employers. Then when you go, make sure you have an elevator pitch prepared.
The elevator pitch was the focal point of the workshop. According to WOMAC, those 30 to 60 second introductions are the things that students should spend the most time practicing.
So you can plan an elevator pitch, plan what you're going to say, and think you have it down, right? But there's something different that happens when you actually say it out loud to somebody else. There's a new set of nerves that kick in. Sometimes your mind just goes a little bit blank for a second.
Student Ivy Janelle Collins is no stranger to those nerves, but she realizes the importance they hold.
I do get very nervous before I speak to employers at career fairs, but one-on-one conversations with people that can kind of help you with practical steps in your career is very helpful.
Very helpful is an understatement, according to WOMAC, who says those interactions with employers are crucial to getting a job post-grad.
Networking is so important, and especially in today's day and age. We find that 80% of students out of college are getting their jobs via networking instead of just a job board. And so career fairs are very important to get those connections so that you know the people and can get the job after college.
Students looking for more ways to practice their elevator pitches can use the big interview feature on Handshake through their Troy email. Ty Davidson, Troy, TrojanVision News.
The next career fair will be the Sorrell College of Business Career Fair next Wednesday.